Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So kung kilala niyo ako or follow niyo ako social media, I'm currently 8 months pregnant. So as of the time of this filming, medyo malaki na yung tiyan ko. Actually malaki na 8 months na nga eh. So papakita ko siya sa inyo. Wala lang. Cute lang. Iyan siya. Ito ba? There you go. Hi little baby! So I'm going to have a baby girl. Since I'm going to be a first-time mom, and I know my life will really change. Yun, since mahilig ako sa makeup, I know na may magbabago na talaga ng bongga sa routine ko once na nandyan na si baby. So I think isa na doon yung makeup ko. I know will happen to me, puyatan, ganyan. So magkakaroon na ng mas mabongga pang eyebags sa kung anong meron ako ngayon. Malamang magkaka-pimples ako sa puyat. Hindi ako narcissist. Alam niyo, parang hindi man ako nega sa mga ganong thoughts. Pero parang wala naman din masama kung mag-aayos pa rin tayo. So parang anti-losyang makeup ito, di ba? So ayun, bawal malosyang. Well, at least ako, yun yung gusto ko sa mga women. Huwag natin pabayaan ang ating sarili. So enough rambling. I will start with my planned makeup routine once na nandyan si baby. By the way, I already put on my moisturizer and sunscreen, so don't forget your sunscreen. Lalo na kapag nagko-commit kayo, even though hindi ka mommy, this applies to everyone. Lagay kayo ng sunscreen kasi ang country natin, sobrang init, kailangan talaga natin ng sunblock sa mukha. Sorry guys, let me zoom you in. Sorry sa mga chismis sa aking mukha. Anyway, yan. For under eye concealer, I'm going to use my MAC Studio Finish Concealer in the shade NC30. I'm just going to use a synthetic brush like this. And I'm going to apply that directly on my under eye area. I think this is the most crucial part of any makeup routine, yung pagko-conceal ng mga spots tsaka ng dark circles, kasi I think it really makes a big difference when you look wide awake. So as you can see, mas nag-brighten na yung face ko. For everyday makeup, I don't really use foundation. So mas nagko-concealer ako. And then to set that, I am going to use my MAC Studio Fix Powder Foundation. Also using the shade, I'm using the shade NC35. Nabura na actually yung, nabura na yung ano ko, yung sticker nito. Pero ito na siya. So I've already hit pan. May naghahay. Wala. It's my 6-year-old baby. Hello baby. So gusto niya tumuntong sa kama. So dyan ka muna. So, using this powder and this kind of fluffy brush, I'm going to set those areas kung saan ako naglagay ng concealer. And also, ito na rin yung parang magiging pinaka-base ko. Yan. And next is kilay. So, kilay is life. Huwag natin kakalimutan. So, I'm going to use my Careline Best Brow Liner in the shade Taupe. Alam nyo guys, ang mura nito, pero ganda siya. Retractable. So, I am going to just apply it directly. Actually, madalian ko lang ginagawa yung brows ko kasi meron naman akong brow hair, so I just have to fill in the sparse areas. So, hindi talaga ako sobrang precise. As long as makulayan ko lang ng bahagya yung kilay ko, okay. For everyday makeup, hindi ko masyadong bet yung mga pakak na kilay, yung mga on-fleek brows, kasi hindi siya natural tingnan. So, yung mga ganito lang na level, okay na yan. Now, para lang sure tayo na set yung brows natin, kasi for those of you na hindi ganong makilay or hindi ganong wala masyadong yung brow hairs, so pagkalagay nyo ng pencil, you have to set it with a brow powder just to ensure lang that it will last the whole day. So I'm using the In2It Brow powder. So ito yon. I'm just using the darkest shade right here. And yun lang, i-apply ko lang siya sa brows ko. I always start sa end ng brow. Kasi if you start here, parang masyadong harsh tingnan sa sa inner part ng brows. So, kung ano yung natirang product, yun lang ilalagay ko dito. My favorite everyday blush is this Milani Baked Blush in the shade Bellissimo Bronze. So, ganito siya. May pagka brownie, bronzy yung shade niya. And it's a sheer color. Why I like blushes like this? Kasi it already doubles as your bronzer and blush at the same time. And highlight. Kasi it has a little bit of shimmer, pero hindi intense. So, if you are pressed for time, nagmamadali ka, at hindi mo na kailangan mag-bronzer, blush, and highlight na separate, ito yung technique doon. Choose a brown base or peachy base blush with shimmer para isahan na lang. So, as you can see, nagkaroon na ng color yung face ko, mas naging buhay, mas naging alive, without using like yung mga contour, bronzer. So, just this blush, it will work. And then, for a little bit on the eyes lang din, I'm using just the same blush and I'm going to put that, apply a little bit on my eyelids using just a fluffy synthetic brush. So, para lang, you can also skip this step, mga Momshie, pero parang, kung gusto nyo lang ng a little extra, kung may extra 10 seconds kayo, pwede nyo itong gawin. As you can see, di ba, mas nagkaroon lang ng life yung ating face. Hindi, actually for everyday, hindi talaga ako nagmamaskara. Kasi mahirap siyang tanggalin sa gabi and it has a tendency to smudge. Salit na mag-alala ko na merong mga nagsismudge dyan na mumukha na ako lalong haggard kapag nag-smudge yung mascara ko. So, ini-skip ko na lang siya. Pero yung iba, gusto din na may mascara kasi nga mas malakas maka-fresh, parang ganun. Pero ako, I like to skip it. Pati yung eyeliner. Kasi I have very oily lids. So, even though I use yung mga waterproof liner, nagsasmudge sila. And, yun nga, kung nagmamadali ka, mami, hindi masyadong practical na. Ang dami pa ilalagay. Pero, yun nga, to each his own. Kung sanay ka mag-eyeliner, then go, mag-eyeliner ka, mag-mascara ka. Pero it's just my preference. Parang okay na ako na ganyan na lang. Now, for the lips, I'm using the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Antwerp. Ito lang siya. And it's actually a pinky color. So, I like to use my ring finger para lang i-dab ko siya ng konti. So, parang my lips but better lang. Your lips just came to life. Lalo na Momshies, kapag haggard kayo or you really think you're super stressed and parang pagod na pagod kayo, mas maganda wag kayong mag-nude color. Parang yung mga medyo rosy pink or peach colors, wag nude. Kasi pag nude, parang nakakaputla lalo yun. Kapag ganito yung mga lip color na ginagamit nyo, mas nakakabuhay ng face. So, I think I'm done with my plan. Mommy, Momshie, nanay, makeup routine, whatever you wanna call it. So, I think naman, this look is not just for Momshies. Pwede rin siya sa mga single ladies na alam niyo yung laging nagmamadali, busy yung schedule, ang aga gumigising, you only have 5 minutes to beautify yourself. I think naman kasi if I am not filming or hindi ako nagsasalita, magagawa ko yung routine ko na yon, yung makeup na yon for like 5 minutes lang. So, it's really good for every day. And I think yun nga, hindi lang siya pang nanay. Pwede siya sa kahit sinong girl na gusto mag-ayos ng mabilisan. This is I'm not really sending a message na kailangan nyo mag-makeup every day. It's not a must. May mga times talaga na hindi natin afford mag-ayos. Pa talagang late tayo nagising or sobrang busy or sobrang alam nyo na, ang dami lang talagang ginagawa. Okay lang yun. Hindi naman siya must. Makeup is not a must. Preference lang siya. So, it's just that I just want to inspire women out there, lalo na rin yung mga momshies, na wala namang masama if we will take care of ourselves, kung mag-aayos tayo. Hindi naman para sa ibang tao, not even for our husbands or boyfriends, kundi para sa sarili natin. So, yun. it's part of taking care of ourselves. Alright, so I hope meron kayo natutunan sa akin kahit konti. Also like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye!